put me in neutral. Shit. Oh. Yeah, dude. These other guys got after it. Dude. Oh, these fucking bastards. Followed this dude's tracks and I knew I shouldn't have. And we're dead end at a creek bottom. Two of them actually. I walked down there and basically it's just folded over brush over like an 8-foot drop. This might be my only shot to get out of here, man. It was not a good decision. What happens when you try and take a shortcut on your way home? Dude, I think we're gonna be out here a while. Remember what I was talking about all day about riding solo and getting yourself into some shit? I just barely made it out from way the fuck down there. I'm not out yet, but holy shit. I thought I was gonna blow this bike up getting up here. Whew, almost out of the woods, almost. There'll be a lesson learned after today, that's for sure. Oh my fucking God. I think that's strike 3 for me. I'm going the fuck home. Found a spot where I was able to text the girlfriend. That's the most important thing. And we're on our way out. Just like I said, 2 hours ago. Yeah, baby, look at that light. that last truck right there, I think they were waiting for me to show up. They're like, oh fuck dude, he's not back, because they headed out the same time as me. They had a Snowbiker, looked like a newer 2-stroke KTM, and then a couple snowmobiles. So I mean, as soon as I got here they left, so I imagine they're just being bros. Oh, you probably can't see me, but hell of a evening. We'll make sure that doesn't happen again. See you in the next one. Peace.